Wait, move.
Line up, line up, line up, line up. Everybody line up, line up, line up, line up, line up. Come on, boost each other. Line. Line up, line up, line up.
Don't loot here. Loot on the field.
Round 2, let's go.
I'm just spectating, bro. I'm not going into this fucking
No,
cluster.
go
We're
in,
winning.
bro. Go in.
I'm gonna hold spacebar on somebody,
Or
so at least useful.
you can also do that.
Oh, it just teleported me in holding spacebar. What the fuck?
Are we even doing anything?
I don't think so with that. Use the stab attack, guys. Use the stab attack. Stab attack. Stab attack.
Keep stabbing. Left flank push. Left flank push. Envelop them on the left. Envelop them slowly on the left. Take your time with it.
Hold. Keep using your spear advantage. Use your range advantage with the spears.
Just push me in again. It's so weird. I need to zoom in so I know where I am. Holy fuck.
Left side, align with the right. Plug the gaps, boys. Plug the gaps.
I'm standing in the fire.
We need more people. We need more people. We have gaps here.
Line up, guys. Get in the line. Get in the line.
Infantry, we need you in the line. We need people in the line.
Pick a spot and stay there. Hold.
Hold, lads, hold.
Push it up. Get up here and start stabbing, you fuckers. We need to push.
There we go.
Nice.
Watch out. We need spears on the flanks.
Spread
All
out
of
a
our
little bit,
spears
spread
need to
out
be
a
on the
little bit.
flanks. No spears in the center.
Fill the
They're trying
gaps,
to
fill the
spear our
gaps, fill the
flanks
gaps.
and fucking... They're trying to spear our flanks, boys.
This is peak gameplay.
Forward a bit in the middle.
Hey.
Forward a bit in the middle.
I was in the middle, but I need to shield the sides. The sides are fighting.
Back from left side.
I'm shielding the right side now. That's alright.
Defend you.
Spam attack in the middle, please. Spam attack.
Right side, full push. Get past them. Get in there.
Go. We are pushing it. Move.
Let's go to the right.
Forward. Forward.
Center, hold. Do not commit.
Step
center.
forward.
Hold the line, center.
Hold the line.
Bro, I don't even get full shield wall bonus.
There you go.
Push.
Keep on pushing, putting their shield down.
I was gonna say, open the line. Take shit.
One behind, in the ass.
Center, hold. Do not advance, center. Hold.
Yeah, we're getting them, boys. We're getting them. Yes. Hold.
Hold the line.
They're pushing to the middle.
Hold the line,
Fill the wall,
Maximo.
Fuck, I should have had a sword. I can't stab.
Do not push. Stay in line. Do not push.
Center, we need a crescent form. Do not push. The flanks need to push if we do.
Kill these fuckers.
Yeah.
The flank on my left should have like 4 guys.
They're in a crescent formation. We're just
Push forward attack. Push forward attack.
Do I stun lock one on the left side?
Octavia, left
Left
flank is failing.
I got one.
Left,
Hold.
push up. Left, push up if you can.
Stand in the oil.
Center, hold. Center,
Fucking him up on the side. We're fucking him up on the side. Left side, east side. 2 down.
Make a line, on the middle. Fill the wall.
Yeah.
Please, fill the wall. Go on the line.
Samura kills.
Push, motherfuckers. Hold the line. Let them come.
Kill him, boys! Kill him!
Keep.
You can't win! You can't win!
Make a circle, make a
I
circle.
got a sword. I got a
Let them
remnant
come.
sword. I'm here.
Stay out of the fire. Stay out of the fire.
I don't know, bro. I think this is a peak Anvil gameplay.
Massimo, Spanish dude.
Just fight on the flank with me. I keep hitting him on the flank and killing them.
Let the flanks push.
We
Yeah,
skip
you-
to
Make a circle.
Pick him
on
up.
this side.
By one.
We're winning them on the side.
Don't push, let them come.
Free loot.
Let the spears be fighting. So good.
Big gameplay.
Keep the center.
Somebody's gear broke. Watch out. If your gear broke, get out.
Pull in the middle. Pull in the middle. Pull in the middle.
Hold the center. Hold the center.
Yeah,
Hold the center. Hold the
Don't push, hold the line for the moment.
Left side.
We need spears on the left. Spears on the left.
We have the numbers advantage. You should be slamming into them, not standing there like a bunch of fucking morons with your dicks in your hands.
Bad pot.
Stand in the chief, don't stand in the chief.
Right part, more shields.
Watch out. Center is on me. Don't move.
If you're gonna go in, we need to push through.
It's someone. Manuel is out. Guys, what are you not even in here?
Move out of the pot! Everyone on my left, move out of the pot.
Yeah! Their line is breaking, boys. They're breaking.
Hold the line, lads. Do not push, hold.
Everybody, you're on fire, Cambridge. You're on fire.
Freaking out. They're freaking out.
No,
Oh
I'm
no,
full-
little
I
fire.
have full
Freak-
health.
Hold. Do not push. Hold. Do not push. Hold. Do not push.
Spears. Do not overcommit spears.
Right side spears. Right side spears.
Yeah, look at that weak ass line.
Stay out of the fire.
Get the gap.
Do not move. Do not move. Do not move.
They're overextending like a few of them. Nobody's killing them.
Yeah.
Like I'm stabbing him right now by just rolling forward.
We need them to overextend more. Like, this is not enough.
And they don't even have a shield. Well, they have a spear.
Hold. Do not push remnants. Remnants do not push. Hold the line. Hold the
Careful
line.
the fire pot. Okay, fire pot's clear. We're good.
Remnants, are you ready? Go, Remnants, go, Remnants, go.
Remnants push.
Hold the line, lads. Hold the line. Let
They're
them
on
come.
the west flank again, but they're getting hit by birds. I'm going for this guy. He's about to hit the bird.
Remnants push. Remnants hold. 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 Do not push. Remnants push.
Ancients rush. Ancients rush.
Ancients, fall back. We're losing, Ancients, we're losing. Fall back.
Это враги Коля, чтобы отходили.
Да, это мы...
Bro, I have like 11 FPS.
Hold the line, lads. Hold the line.
Отступайте.
All the loot in the middle is just gonna despawn.
Move, guys.
Как вы сделали приток?
I got him, I got him, I got him, I got him. Come.
See, the Frank is the fight. However,
Не на той стороне сражайтесь.
I'm fighting, but I'm a stare.
someone can make a wall.
I don't have my shield out.
Make a wall for me, please.
Keep the center. Don't move.
I knocked him down,
Make a wall.
You can't
Fuck,
stab through the wall. You
fuck,
cannot stab through the
fucks,
wall with the
fuck,
spear.
fucks.
You sure?
Group up.
I'm 100%
Fuck,
sure you
fuck,
cannot stab
grab his
through the wall with the
armor.
spear.
They are losing numbers, by the way.
We're killing the flank also. I keep Xing him, bro. I just ran 10 meters past this guy and I hit the air and I got him, hitting the air.
Hold.
Yeah,
Let
that's the
them
lag.
come.
Borak, get back.
Yeah, it's crazy, bro.
Remnant push.
Hold.
Barak,
Do not
Barak.
push. Make sure you're bracing the people in front of you. Remnants, come back a little.
Kill this guy, punish him,
Spam attack at the
punish these
leader.
guys, punish these guys, punish them!
Our team's going on the right.
Push them, make them pay!
Hold the line.
Alright, hold!
Push. One step. Spam attack. Formation. Hold the line.
Fill the gap.
Spam attack, please. Ivar, spam attack. Odvi, spam attack. Bernard, Scott, spam attack, please.
Forgotten, please. Can you?
Hold formation. Line up.
Can we push?
Line up. Spam attack. Spam attack, please. Spam attack. Center, back. We are in a line.
Remnants,
Organize reform of the line, center.
Oh, vous êtes grand mort. Okay, one step in front and spam attack, please.
Plug this left side, plug the left lane.
What is that for? Oh, vous êtes grand mort.
Fill in the gaps. Whoever's in the back, fill in the gaps, lads.
Push!
Hold this line, alright, don't push forward.
One line!
Alright.
One line! Push!
Oh, nice, nice.
Line! You just
But they're dying, they're dying, they're
Go
dying.
in!
Go, they're dying.
Just stand in the fireport! Just stand in the fireport! Just stand in the fireport! Push!
Not too far.
Spam
don't push
attack,
too
guys.
far.
Spam attack. Don't go
Push
forward
it,
more.
push it.
Stay, and spam attack.
Archer, skill, spearman. Archer, skill, kill, spearman.
Rotating, rotating,
Archer,
rotating,
kill,
Get out of the
Good,
fire!
good
Get out of the
forward.
fire! Get out of the fire! Get out of the
Good.
fire!
Step back one. Make a circle.
Right arrows, bro. Those right arrows.
Step back a bit, please. Step back a bit.
Get out of the fire!
You will die, play remnants. Your wife, you will
Hold
Hold the line! Hold the line!
Stay behind me.
Your kid will become slave.
Dirty ancients!
Hey, you got him. Get the next one, get the next one. Get the next one, get the next one, get the next one, get the next one, get the next one. Come on, get that
Get out of
one.
the fire! Get out of the
Get one
fire!
behind, he fell in us.
Get out of the fire!
One just fell off the wall,
Okay,
it
left side,
was.
good job. Allez, venez. Okay, middle, focus the
One
left.
Saurus in the line.
Yeah, step a bit.
Field wall, field wall.
Wait for them to commit.
Okay, focus the east on the left.
Get back on the
Pepino, what are you doing, Pepino?
Bro, they are
Oh,
losing
yeah,
numbers.
That weak ass
Shield wall.
ancient line.
Let Nomad
That's
get
obvious.
behind the shield wall.
Okay, okay.
We need our spear behind.
The left side, the
Numbers,
left side.
numbers.
Forward a bit.
Let Nomad through. Nah. No, but let him like behind you. Someone plug this gap
Middle,
in front of me with a
middle,
shield.
one
I
step.
have to restart my
Middle, one
game,
step
bro. This
forward
FPS lag
and
is so
spam
hard.
attack, please.
Hold, boys, hold. We need all
Okay,
spears on right.
spam attack
all
and
spears
hold the
on
line.
right. All spears on right.
Come on, guys. We have it. We have it.
Don't try and outpoke those spears. Don't try and outpoke those spears with the sword. Hold, let the spear people do the fight. Hold the line.
Don't use an axe. You get axe and use it.
That's it, we're killing them.
Step a bit back. Step a bit back.
One step back, one step back.
I'm not even hitting on
Let
your
them
screen,
come,
but I'm
let
hitting
them
on my
come.
screen. That's crazy.
Make them pay.
We have a hold, we have a hold in the middle, we have a hold in the middle.
Hole in the middle, they have a hole in the middle. Enemy hole in the middle.
Who stands on the front line? Don't attack, don't attack. Just hold the shield. Just hold the shield. Don't attack.
Okay.
Behind the front
Killing
line,
the yolk.
hold space to bring here.
Left.
I need another armor.
Get the gap on the left, please.
Vas-y, j'ai l'impression qu'on est beaucoup plus qu'eux. Hein.
Je sais, mais ils ont plein de lances.
Bro, I think it's their own catapult to kill like more of them.
Go.
Swords and shields.
We need to wipe them on the left. We need to wipe them on the left. We need to keep the city on the left, please.
Swords and shields need to rush them.
Bozos on the right.
Hold, boys. Hold, hold, hold.
Rotating, rotating, somebody kill
I have to remind you that you are not reading the Oh, you're right. I'm just sitting here watching it fall apart.
Gabe, don't attack. Just hold the shield. Don't attack.
Make space for me, please. Nastelli, make space.
You don't need space.
Left side, get the gap and fill them on the flank.
Forward, they're dying on the right side also.
My shield.
We need shield and the left one.
Midfield.
Hold boys, hold boys, hold boys.
Drop kill, guys.
Guys, hold. Spam attack, spam them attack on the left.
Hold the line.
Push forward, stand
Right
back.
flank advance!
Remember, they have to come to us, boys.
Hold the line, hold the line.
Hold.
Right flank fall back!
Get them on the back.
Keep going,
Yeah, rebels, come on, man. Stop being cowards. Push out.
Bro, like our left flank is not even a shield wall. I don't know what
I'm
that
there
is.
right now at the front. But I'm dying too.
One step. One step.
I gotta.
One step.
There's people coming from the left. They're coming east. They're coming east. Yeah, they're on our east.
Hold the line, hold the line.
East, east, guys. East, 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 east.
Hold.
Alright, hold. Recover.
Oh yeah, there's a big flank.
Hold, they're pulling back.
We're fighting on the left.
Hold.
Like we have to
winning,
hold
guys.
these guys.
Yeah, we're winning. Don't worry, we're winning.
Hold the line, hold the line.
No, I died. What? My armor broke.
Yeah. No, bro, I also died. Yeah, because my armor also broke. Holy shit, bro.